Yes, guys, so as you can see, I am sat in an hotel room. So Volkswagen training, it's good fun. But anyway, the reason for the video tonight is I want to just address the lack of sort of really anything from me for the last couple of weeks. It's been a struggle, I'm not going to lie. So nothing crazy's happened out like that. But I reckon I was bitten by a little bit of the bug where everything just seems hard work. Everything seems just fucking awful. And there will be swearing in this video, guys, so if you're sensitive, sorry, it's me. But yeah, the reason for this video is just to let you know, guys, that it creeps up on you. That feeling of fucking brick wall coming in at you or ceiling collapsing on you creeps up on you, and you don't know that it's here until you can't drag yourself out of bed, or just making a bruise hard work. And do you know what I mean? Yeah, so what I'm trying to say is I reckon without wanting to band around the depression or mental health as such, I just want to make everyone aware that it is a thing. Yeah, the feeling shit, the not getting up in the morning, it gets hard, and it doesn't matter what situation you're in, who you are, it will creep up on you. And without the people around you that can pull you out of the shit, give your head a wobble as such, just make you realise what you've got, what good's going on in your life, rather than you get into this pit of focusing on all the bad stuff, and you can't really pull yourself out of it. And at that point, you don't even need to say out. The people around you can just understand, and they just know when something's not right. So don't be alone, don't feel alone. There's people out there, even if your friends and family don't understand, or they can't see anything's different. If you can feel something's different in yourself, reach out. Doesn't matter if you reach out to just someone you watch on TikTok or someone you watch on YouTube or anything like that. My inbox is always open for anyone out there that is struggling. I mean, I'm good at being a mechanic. I'm good at talking mechanic terms and bits and bobs like that. But I will be an ear for any of you guys that are struggling with just getting by on a daily basis. Like I say, it gets us all, but the people around you are key in this. So I've got a fantastic wife, my kids, phenomenal. They understand, they know, and they've been brilliant. They really have. My friends, far and wide, and they are literally far and wide across the whole of the country, and that's the United Kingdom, have been amazing. And I think someone said to me once before that you only go to work for money. To a point, yeah. However, some of the friends you make at work can be like best friends. You'll tell them everything, but what you don't realise is you spend a good 8 or 9 hours a day, maybe all week, with them, telling them little bits about yourself, little stories and stuff like that. By sort of a year or two down the line, they know everything about you, you know everything about them, and you're almost best mates without even knowing it. They're the people you want in your life as well. So like I say, I surround myself with people that can help, and they understand and they know. So I guess the moral of this one is, guys, don't feel like you're alone, because if there's no one immediately around you, inbox me, inbox people that you watch, inbox anyone, inbox someone. Don't not speak out, don't bottle it up. Just remember, we're all human. We have good days and bad days, good times and bad times. Don't always have to be bad times, and they certainly won't always be good times, but surround yourself with people. Take care, guys, and have a fantastic Christmas. From Rob, the VW Mechanic.